May tanong dito si March013099. Sabi niya is, pigment ink ba or dye ink yung gamit mo? Kasi yung sa kanya daw is dye ink and mabilis mag-fade. So, bago kasi ako bumili ng printer na gagamitin ko for this business, nag-research muna ako kung ano yung maganda for photo printing. Kasi that is one of the main products na balak ibenta. And palaging nasa top list is the pigment ink. The pigment ink kasi it's non-fading compared doon sa dye ink. So, to answer your question, March, yes, pigment ink ang gamit ko, and after buying my Epson L3210, i-convert ko na siya agad from dye ink to pigment ink. Although, mawawala na yung warranty ng printer mo pag kinonvert mo siya, kaya that is the one thing that you need to consider kung balak mo din i-convert from the original dye ink to pigment ink. Hope that helps!